bevisa.
The 22nd Upendra Nath Brahma Soldier Humanity Award. The chairperson, I request her to accept the request. Recipients Honorable Governor of Lighting and a floral tribute to Bodofa Upendra Nath Brahma with all the dignitaries. For the lamp lighting and the floral tribute. We move on. I humbly request over. Thank you. From the chairperson, we would like to move on to be ready and welcome first, who is the Governor of Assam, and I think by the power of attorney of Upendra Nath Brahma Trust, followed by felicitation with the traditional Bodoland by Pandita Vasmotari, and followed by Bodo musical instrument presentation of Senja by Dr. Dimasama Sari, the chairman of the event, traditional musical instrument ceremony. Thank you, sir, for the introduction. Now we move on to introduce that for the introduction of the chief of Bodoland Autonomous Council. We move on. We now go on to introduce and also I request His Excellency Dasho of I call on the President of Wangmo Students Union, Recipient Bodo. I call on Wangchuck MC. We also have amongst us Mr. Dasho. We also request Professor Jwhwlao musical representation with the Senja, Dr. Jwhwlao to come forward and play this blend of music with Botanist and Bodo music blend. Thank you. Thank you very much, Dr. Bodofa Upendra. Now we move on with
sharing Minister of Home and Cultural Affairs Bhutan, our Aguni Chief Promoter Bhutan, MP Upendra Nath, Jwhwlao Busumutari, Borothulai Apadni, Apadgiri Dr. Nazari Award that have been conferred by UNB Trust on behalf of the Bodo community in Bodoland, Assam, India and world since 2004. Every year UNB Trust and APSU have been conferring this award to the eminent persons who had given service for the humanity and upliftment of the downtrodden community through its actions for social and community cause. Starting from literature to Gyanpit awardee, social activist eminent Gandhian to Raman Magsaysay awardee had already been received this award. We are highly delighted and filled with proud to honor the 22nd Upendra Nath Brahma Soldier of Humanity Award 2025 to a true visionary humanitarian being, the eldest Queen Mother, Her Majesty Gyalyum Ashi Dorji Wangmo Wangchuck, a relentless soldier of poverty who has rendered service from heart for holistic rural development by founding Tarayana Foundation, starting from a small charity civil society organization since 2003 for the cause of the people of Royal Bhutan. As it is well known to all that Her Majesty has contributed immense work in the field of education, health, culture and literature as the founder of Bhutan Echoes, Drukul's literary festival to connect Bhutanese writers with global literary community. The UNB Trust, EPSU and Bodo community heartily welcomes Her Majesty for her indomitable service for the upliftment of the economically weaker sections. UNB Trust was formed in the year 1999, and since 2004, the award has been conferring, focusing the great contributions of Bodofa to the Bodos and other downtrodden communities. As a great honor to Bodofa, 84 UN Academy schools already been established in 13 districts. More than 100 statues of Bodofa established in different places. Bodofa Upendra Nath Brahma mark and statue already been unveiled by Honorable Union Home Minister Sri Amit Shah ji with great honor in National Capital Delhi on 1st May 2025 with the demand made by EPSU and Bodo community. Upendra Nath Brahma is known to all as Bodofa, father of Bodos. After becoming the president of All Bodo Student Union in 1987, Bodofa started movement for Bodoland for socio-political, economic, cultural, ethnic identity of the Bodos by raising strong voice for all-round development, equality of exploited and suppressed sections of the community. Bodofa called to join each and every Bodo individual with great slogans, Bodos of the world unite, unity through struggle, to safeguard their Bodo community and to live with dignity. Bodofa brought renaissance with strong feeling of Bodo identity, consciousness among the Bodo masses within a short span of time. With his charismatic and unparalleled leadership, he became a role model among the downtrodden communities of Northeast India. During the agitation in 1987 and 1993, more than 1135 innocent people sacrificed their valuable life, leading to more than 5,000 Bodoland martyrs up to since 2020. As a result, Bodo movement organization made 3 Bodo efforts with the Government of India, Assam, Bodoland Autonomous Council 93, Bodoland Territorial Council 2003, and Bodoland Territorial Region 2020. Bodofa will always be remembered as the greatest ideologue and spiritual leader of our time in the world history. He is regarded as an architect of modern Bodo society. His dream to build Bodo as a vibrant community with a philosophy of live and let live has been carried out by the Bodo Student Union consistently, all Bodo Student Union consistently. Today, the whole Bodo community is extremely happy that the Upendra Nath Brahma Soldier of Humanity Award 2025 is going to confer to Her Majesty Gyalyum Dorji Wangmo Wangchuck, the Queen Mother of Bhutan, a revered author, philanthropist, and women of courage with brave heart, who has been untiringly serving for the humanity, soldiering for upliftment of poverty and education in Bhutan. Friends, Her Majesty is our international award recipient who belongs from royal family, and we hope that our message for peace and humanity will spread throughout the Kingdom of Bhutan. As a neighboring nation, India and Bhutan always remain a friendly country, sharing the southern border of Bodoland Territorial Region and state of Assam, India. Our integrity and sanctity trust will be stronger with new relation of all history through this award. As a bordering community, Bodos have been maintaining brotherhood, cohesiveness, and a relation of trade since time immemorial. In this regard, India-Bhutan Friendship Association, BIFA, also have been playing a pivotal role in keeping friendly relations with the Indian counterparts socially and culturally. At the end, I do once again extend gratitude to all to be part of this historic award ceremony and making it successful one through your kind cooperation and participation. Thank you, Boygo, Madam Nitakai, Her Majesty Nitakai, and Government Nitakai.
Thank you, President of EPSU, Honorable Deputy. Now, with due permission from the Chair, agenda of today's ceremony, 22nd Upendra Nath Brahma conferred upon Kokrajhar. Your Majesty, expressing his profound respect and deep admiration for you, the Upendra Nath Brahma Trust is pleased to confer its 22nd Upendra Nath Brahma Soldier of Humanity Award 2025 upon Your Majesty, acknowledging your commendable work Through Tarania Foundation in fields of poverty alleviation, health, education among the poor people of Bhutan, along with Your Majesty's significant work for the growth of literature and preservation of Bhutan's cultural heritage. Your Majesty's concern for the lives of the poor and underprivileged of your kingdom aligns with the ideals upheld by Bodofa Upendra Nath Brahma. For your noble work, today, UNV Trust express its deepest gratitude to Your Majesty by conferring upon you the Upendra Nath Brahma Cultural Humanity Award 2025, wishing you good health and long life, presented on the 3rd of February 2026, Jwhwlao Nileshwar Brahma Auditorium, Bodoland University, Kokrajhar, BTR, India. Dr. Dimasa Debrang Musari, Chairman of Upendra Nath Brahma Trust, and Dr. Vishnu Prasad Brahma, Power of Attorney Upendra Nath Brahma Trust. So with this reading, I just read the citation. Now we come to the formal honor towards the presentation of the award, with such that we have some token of gratitude with Arunai and bouquet and citation and a memento, and also the epigraph of Bodofa and traditional Borodokona, and also we have a traditional musical instrument and a symbol of pride of Assam with the rhino. So at first, I would like to request the chairperson of today's award ceremony, followed by the presentation of citation by Dr. Dimasa Debrang Musari, Upendra Nath Brahma Trust. Next we have memento presentation by Honorable Governor of Assam, the chief guest, to Her Majesty the Queen Mother. The memento of the statue of Bodofa Upendra Nath Brahma. Followed by presentation of the epigraph of Bodofa Upendra Nath Brahma by the President of FC All Students Union. Next, I call upon for the presentation of Bodo traditional Dokona and Jwhwlao by Dr. Shinoti Nazari, who is a member of the trust, and assisted by Vishnu Prasad Brahma. Next, we have a traditional musical instrument to be presented by Honorable Karama Mohilari. Presented by Karama Mohilari sir to Her Majesty the Queen Mother, and a traditional Borodokona from his office, the Honorable Chief. We now present the last and only the rhino as a symbol of pride of Assam by the former CEM of BTC Sri Pramod Bobo to Her Majesty the Queen Mother. So thank you and congratulations once again for this 22nd Upendra Nath Brahma. Now as we move on with the agenda of our
Chancellor of Bodoland University, trusted and family members of Bodofa Upendra Nath Brahma, respected teachers, their students. Good morning, everyone. Tuesday, we gathered here to remember and celebrate the great legacy of Bodofa Upendra Nath Brahma, the father of Bodos. His life was devoted to humanity, peace, equality, and justice, and his vision continued to guide and inspire us. The Upendra Nath Brahma Soldier of Humanity Award is more than an award. It reminds us of our responsibility to serve society with compassion, sacrifice, and unwavering commitment to human value. This year, it is a moment of great pride and honor that His prestigious award has been conferred on Her Majesty the Queen of Mother of Bhutan. Her Majesty's lifelong service to the people truly reflects the highest ideal of humanity. Through her dedicated work in social welfare, youth empowerment, and preservation of culture, she has brought hope, dignity, and positive sense to country's life. The leadership of the Tarani Foundation stands as a shining example of compassion for the underprivileged and marginalized section of society. This value deeply resonates with the ideal of Bodofa Upendra Nath Brahma and align closely with the vision of the Bodoland Territorial Council. Bodoland and Bhutan share a strong history. Both our land are connected by river, culture, and mutual respect. For generations, our people have lived together in peace and harmony, strengthening the foundation of friendship between our region. By honoring the royal family of Bhutan today, we further strengthen this link. We look forward to deeper cooperation in the field of culture, education, trade, and environmental conservation for the benefit of our future generation. Dear students, I ask you to draw inspiration from the life of Bodofa Upendra Nath Brahma and the exemplary service of Her Majesty. Let their dedication motivate you to work selflessly for the betterment of humanity and society. I sincerely thank the organization for inviting me as a special guest and giving the opportunity to be part of this meaningful and historic occasion. I am privileged and feel honored. I wish Her Majesty a good health, peace, and continued strength in her noble journey of service to humanity. On behalf of Bodoland Territorial Council, I sincerely thank the royal family of Bhutan for their gracious presence and her accepting this award. I also sincerely thank Honorable Governor of Assam, Sri Lakshman Prasad Acharya ji, under whose stewardship BTC is moving toward prosperity. May the ideal of Bodofa always guide us, and may the friendship between Bhutan and Bodoland and between India and Bhutan continue to grow stronger. Thank you all.
Thank you. We had to
मैडम यहाँ पे आए हुए भूटान की गेस्ट हमारे आज खास करके छिरिंग जी, ऑनरेबल होम मिनिस्टर ऑफ भूटान, गवर्नर ऑफ ग्यालियम माइंडफुलनेस सिटी डॉक्टर लोटेजी, चेयरपर्सन यूजी ब्रह्मा जी, कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर ऑफ असम, हमारे बोडोलैंड के चीफ हाग्रामा महिलारी जी, ऑल बोडो स्टूडेंट यूनियन के प्रेसिडेंट दीपेन बोरो जी, राज्यसभा की एमपी रंगरान आचार्य जी, लोकसभा की एमपी जयंतो बसुमतारी जी, हमारे दो यूनिवर्सिटी के गवर्नर बोडोलैंड यूनिवर्सिटी और कोकराझार यूनिवर्सिटी की, बोडो साहित्य सभा के प्रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर सूरत नार्जारी जी, और आज ये अवार्ड कॉन्फर सेरेमनी में आए हुए भूटान के गेस्ट के साथ यूनिवर्सिटी की फैकल्टीज, हमारे कोकराझार की डिप्टी कमिश्नर, और मैं सबको स्वागत करता हूँ और धन्यवाद देता हूँ। टुडे वी स्पेशली थैंक योर मैजेस्टी Queen Mother for giving this opportunity to honor you today with a small token of love from Bodoland. As we know, we share a long distance of border between Bhutan and India. हम लोग बहुत लंबा एक बॉर्डर शेयर करते हैं, और मैं खास करके बोलता हूँ दुनिया में सबसे पीसफुल बॉर्डर यही है, भूटान और इंडिया, जहाँ कोई फेंसिंग नहीं है, कोई वॉल नहीं है, और ट्रेडिशनली भूटान और इंडिया के बीच में, खास करके बोडो के बीच में बहुत अच्छा रिश्ता है। मैडम just saw a sticky rice outside the auditorium, and in ancient time the Bhutanese लोग हमारे यहाँ आते थे, हम लोग कुरमा बोलते थे। अभी भी वो कुरमा रिलेशन बहुत अच्छा है, ये नॉर्मल रिलेशन से बहुत बढ़कर है कुरमा। सो स्टिल वी रिमेम्बर द कुरमा रिलेशनशिप। कुछ सालों में हमारी तरफ से भूटान में थोड़ा बहुत डिस्टर्बेंस हुए थे, उसके लिए हम लोग पहले भी क्षमा मांगा, और आज ये सोल्जर ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटी अवार्ड 22nd अवार्ड को आप एक्सेप्ट करके हमारे बोडो का जो लंबी लड़ाई है हक के लिए, राइट के लिए, इसके साथ साथ बोडोफा उपेंद्र नाथ ब्रह्मा जी का जो आत्मा है, जो महान आत्मा है, ह्यूमैनिटी के लिए काम किया है, उसको बहुत बड़ा एक रेस्पेक्ट मिला है, और आपने इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे इसका रिकॉग्निशन दिया है। मैं आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ। आप ऑथर हैं, आप फिलैंथ्रोपी है, और तारायना फाउंडेशन को आप खुद नेतृत्व देके भूटान के जो महान एजेंडा है इसको आपने और भी आगे लेके गया। मैं भूटान को खास करके धन्यवाद देता हूँ। एक वन टाइनी स्टेट, टाइनी कंट्री, बट दुनिया के सबसे बड़ा काम किया है जो नेशनल हैप्पीनेस मिशन लेके। आज दुनिया में हैप्पीनेस ही सबसे बड़ा बात है, और भी बहुत काम है जो भूटान से हम लोग को सीखने को मिला। मैं ज़्यादा बोलना नहीं चाहता हूँ, सबको धन्यवाद देता हूँ। और बोडोफा की जो प्रिंसिपल है, जो आइडियोलॉजी है, लिव एंड लेट लिव, उसको ही लेके ऑल बोडो स्टूडेंट यूनियन, यूएन प्रोमोटर्स, भारत की अलग अलग राइटर, अलग अलग फिलैंथ्रोपिस्ट, सोशल लीडर्स, सबको ये अवार्ड दिया है। इस साल खास करके मैडम इसको एक्सेप्ट करके हम सबको बहुत बहुत प्राउड हम लोग फील करते हैं। आपने ये अवसर दिया हम लोगों को, और बहुत बिजी शेड्यूल के बाद भी हमारे गवर्नर जी मोहन जी आगे हम सबको मार्गदर्शन किए हैं। मैं सबको धन्यवाद देके मेरी वाणी यहाँ विराम देता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir, for your brief speech. Us are waiting to hear the request of the recipient of this 22nd Upendra Nath Brahma Social Humanity Award.
Really happy to be in Kokrajhar and to be in your midst, each and every one of you in this hall and beyond. Your Excellency, the Governor of Assam, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon, Kususambo and Namaste. I bring with me today warm greetings of His Majesty the King and the people of Bhutan. It is with deep gratitude that I accept the Soldier of Humanity Award from the Upendra Nath Brahma Trust. To receive this award, consecrated in the name of Bodofa Upendra Nath Brahma, the visionary, the father of the Bodos, whose life was a tireless dedication to the upliftment and dignity of the marginalized, is a recognition that touches my heart deeply. Bodofa's philosophy of live and let live resonates deeply with Bhutan's guiding principle of gross national happiness. He understood, as we in Bhutan have learned from our kings, that the true measure of a country's advancement is not by the size of its economy, but the health, happiness, and dignity of every citizen. The award, therefore, celebrates not just a shared principle of compassion, but our shared dream of a kinder and a peaceful world. This award feels personal, for it affirms the mission that I began some 22 years ago with the Tarayana Foundation. It was born from my travels to the far corners of Bhutan. There, in the humble homes and remote villages, I witnessed hardship that broke my heart, yet also resilience that inspired it. From that experience came a simple, unbreakable conviction that everyone should benefit from the opportunities that are available and no one should be left behind. Together with the Royal Government of Bhutan, the Tarayana Foundation has walked side by side with communities, building homes, restoring hope, creating sustainable livelihoods, and helping families rise from poverty with dignity. This Soldier of Humanity Award is not for me alone. It is a tribute to the unwavering and quiet courage of every partner, every volunteer, and every community member who has lent a hand. It is a collective recognition of our sacred, shared duty to reach out and to bring those in the shadows into the light. Our shared commitment to humanity is underpinned by the truly special relationship between Bhutan and India, a relationship from the heart, forged over centuries. The bond we share with Assam and Bodoland is a vital and cherished part of this connection. The exchange of high-level visits, such as the visit of His Excellency, the Chief Minister of Assam, during our National Day celebrations in 2024, are moments that remind us that friendship, when nurtured with care, blossoms into trust and meaningful collaboration. In that same spirit of connection, I founded the Mountain Echoes in 2010. It is Bhutan's first literature festival, born as a bridge of words, art, and shared stories between Bhutan and India. It has now blossomed into Bhutan Echoes, and it continues to reaffirm our belief that literature and culture are not luxuries, but they are lifelines of understanding, healing, and unity. Today, Bhutan stands on the threshold of an even brighter chapter. His Majesty the King's visionary Gyalyum mindfulness city, rising gently along our shared border with Bodoland and Assam. The Gyalyum mindfulness city is a living promise, a sacred space where economic vitality meets spiritual harmony, where green innovation thrives alongside timeless values, and where our youth can chase dreams without ever losing their roots. Here, the heritage of the Bodo people and the noble ethos of Bhutan will naturally converge, creating a beacon of sustainable prosperity, shared opportunity, and enduring friendship for the region and the world. This award reminds us with gentle urgency that our work of humanity is far from finished. In a world racing with change, the true soldier of humanity must stand vigilant, guarding the light of empathy, the principle of justice, and the fragile beauty of our common home. Once again, I thank the Upendra Nath Brahma Trust for this recognition. I carry this award back to Bhutan as a cherished symbol of the external friendship and shared purpose between our two countries. Tashidile, thank you, and dhanyavad.
Thank you very much to His Excellency Sri Lakshman Sir to deliver.
नमस्कार। अवार्ड 2025 के गैल्यूम, दोरजी, वांगमो, वांगचुक जी। डॉक्टर लोटे शेरिंग जी, मंत्री श्री यूजी ब्रह्मा जी, सदस्य श्री प्रमोद बोरो जी, बोडो साहित्य सभा के अध्यक्ष, सभी सम्मानित अधिकारीगण, यहाँ उपस्थित। आज इस गरिमामय आयोजन में ज्ञान प्रदान करने का अवसर नहीं, बल्कि नैतिक मूल्य, करुणा, मानवीय गरिमा और सामाजिक न्याय के प्रति हमारी सामूहिक प्रतिबद्धता का सजीव प्रतीक है। आज का यह आयोजन महामहिम राजमाता ग्याल्युम दोरजी वांगमो वांगचुक जी की गरिमा में उपस्थिति से और भी विशिष्ट बन गया है। उनका जीवन सेवा, करुणा और मानवीय मूल्यों के प्रति अटूट निष्ठा का प्रेरक उदाहरण है। असम की जनता की ओर से उनका स्वागत करना मैं अपना परम सौभाग्य मानता हूं और अभिनंदन करता हूं। देवी और सज्जनों, सोल्जर ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटी पुरस्कार उन विशिष्ट सम्मानों में अपना अलग स्थान रखता है जो मानवता की सेवा को जीवन का सर्वोच्च आदर्श मानते हैं। वर्ष 2004 में स्थापित यह सम्मान बोडोफा उपेंद्र नाथ ब्रह्मा के जीवन, संघर्ष और विचार दर्शन को समर्पित है। त्याग, साहस और सेवा इसकी मूल भावना है। बोडोफा उपेंद्र नाथ ब्रह्मा ने संघर्ष का मार्ग हथियारों से नहीं, बल्कि विचारों, मूल्यों और संवाद से प्रशस्त किया। स्वतंत्रता, समानता और बंधुत्व उनके चिंतन के मूल्य स्तंभ हैं। उनका जीवन जियो और जीने दो के सिद्धांत का जीवंत उदाहरण था। गंभीर आर्थिक कठिनाइयों के बावजूद उन्होंने शिक्षा और उच्च शिक्षा प्राप्त की और भौतिकी के प्रतिभाशाली विद्वान बने, परंतु उन्होंने अपने ज्ञान को सामाजिक न्याय, मानव गरिमा और जन अधिकारों की रक्षा हेतु समर्पित कर दिया। लोकतांत्रिक मूल्यों के अंतर्गत उन्होंने छात्र आंदोलनों का नेतृत्व कर समाज को एक नई दिशा दी। उनका दृष्टिकोण किसी एक समुदाय तक सीमित नहीं था। वे मानते थे कि प्रत्येक जाति और जनजाति को राष्ट्र की अपनी भाषा, संस्कृति और पहचान के संरक्षण का समान अधिकार है। यही व्यापक और समावेशी सोच उन्हें विशेष महत्व प्रदान करती है। बोडोफा उपेंद्र नाथ ब्रह्मा शिक्षा को सामाजिक परिवर्तन की आधारशिला मानते थे। उनका दृढ़ विश्वास था शिक्षित और जागरूक समाज ही आत्मसम्मान, अधिकार चेतना तथा समग्र विकास का मार्ग प्रशस्त कर सकता है। उनके इसी अमूल्य योगदान के सम्मान में असम सरकार ने उनके जन्मदिन दिवस 31 मार्च को छात्र दिवस के रूप में घोषित किया है। साथ ही भारत सरकार द्वारा नई दिल्ली में एक मार्ग का नामकरण तथा उनकी प्रतिमा की स्थापना उनके राष्ट्रीय महत्व, व्यापक स्वीकृति और अस्थायी विरासत का सशक्त प्रमाण है। वर्ष 1999 में स्थापित उपेंद्र नाथ ब्रह्मा ट्रस्ट इसी महान विरासत को पूर्ण निष्ठा के साथ आगे बढ़ा रहा है। अपने विविध कार्यक्रमों के मध्य से ट्रस्ट ने उनके विचारों को जन जन तक पहुंचाने का सराहनीय कार्य किया है। मैं इस अवसर पर उपेंद्र नाथ ब्रह्मा ट्रस्ट की विशेष सराहना करना चाहता हूँ, जिसने संवेदनशीलता और सेवा के भाव के साथ उन महान परंपरा को निरंतर जीवित रखा है, जो समाज की वंचित और अंतिम पंक्ति के लोगों के उत्थान हेतु सदैव संघर्ष एवं सहयोग के लिए तत्पर रहती है। आज का यह अवसर भारत और भूटान के बीच गहरे ऐतिहासिक और आत्मीय संबंधों को भी सुदृढ़ करता है। दोनों देशों की साझी संस्कृति, परंपरा और विश्वास हमारे संबंधों की आधारशिला है। भूटान की ग्रॉस नेशनल हैप्पीनेस की अवधारणा और बोडोफा के मानवीय विचार समान रूप से समग्र कल्याण को केंद्र में रखते हैं। सोल्जर ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटी का यह सम्मान एक ऐसी वैश्विक संदेश देता है कि करुणा, शांति और सह अस्तित्व ही मानवता का सच्चा मार्ग है। सीमाओं से ऊपर उठकर मानव सेवा करने वाले व्यक्तित्व ही विश्व को नई दिशा दे सकते हैं।
Thank you, President of Assam, Now